Hi guys, this course is a practice course, and if you want to follow me along, you need to have Linux installed somewhere. You could use any Linux operating system you want. If you are already a Linux user, you don't need to do anything. If you are a MacOS user or Windows user, you have several options. First option – create virtual machine on macOS or Windows computer. And for that, you could use such software as VirtualBox. It is available both for Windows and macOS. It is free and open source. Or you are able to use VMware, VMware Fusion for macOS or VMware Workstation on Windows. Second option to get Linux computer is to create a remote virtual server at one of the hosting services, like Amazon EC2, Google Cloud, DigitalOcean or Microsoft Azure. But in such case, you will need to pay a few dollars per month for the smallest server possible. And of course, you will need to connect to such server remotely from your computer using, for example, SSH protocol. And last option is to use free software called Docker, and you need to install Docker Desktop on your macOS or Windows computer. And using Docker, you are able just in a few seconds, completely free, create Linux computer on macOS or Windows computer. Or if you need, you're able to create multiple Linux computers on your macOS or Windows computer. And I'll use this option in this course, that's why next I'll explain you how to install Docker Desktop on macOS or Windows computer. I'll see you next. Bye-bye.